Open a new Excel file. Insert command symbols for Design Mode and Insert Controls. In the Insert Controls dialog box, select the button ActiveX Control and insert it into the worksheet. Double-click the button. The VBA editor will open. Close the VBA editor and the Excel file. Click Save, then No. Select Excel Macro-enabled workbook, then Save, then OK. An Excel workbook with macro support has been created.